Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing offset property of range object and will show you how we can generate beautiful patterns in Excel. First, I will explain you what is offset property. For that, let me first insert a module and let me start a subroutine whose name is trial. Now let me insert a number in range starting from A1 to A2. Now I want to offset this range value by 3, 3. So for that, first I have to define a variable. So defining test as range. I have to give a range to this test variable. A1 to A2. Now I have to offset the value. So offset the value by 3, 3 equals to test dot value. Now let me run this code and show you. So it is offsetting the value. Here it will calculate the offset distance from top left cell. So 3 cell away from A1 cell in row is 4 and 3 cell away from A1 cell in column is D. Now I will show you how we can generate pattern in Excel. For that, first let me clear the content that is there in sheet 1. And we can do it by writing a line cells dot clear. Let me execute this code. So it is clearing the content that is there in sheet 1. Now for generating the pattern, let me define two variables. So I comma j as integer. And let me start two for loops for I equals to 1 to 10 in step 2. Here step keyword will help to step at specific interval. So here the interval is 2. For j equals to 1 to 10 in step 2. I want to change the interior color of all the cells. So I comma j dot interior dot color equals to VB red and cells I comma j dot offset 1 comma 1 dot interior dot color equals to VB yellow. Now next J and next I. So the code is complete. Let me run this code and show you what pattern it is generating. So in cell 1 comma 1 it is making interior color as red and then offsetting by 1 comma 1. So it is selecting 2 comma 2 cell and inserting interior color as yellow, and this process will keep on repeating. Now let me complete this code by pressing the shortcut key F5. So we have generated the pattern by using offset property of range object, and the pattern it is generating is here. Thank you.